Let's go to the calf. Okay, I'm back from the calf. If I were to put my keys back on my damn keychain, because I cannot keep running around without my keys on my keychain. I'm only supposed to have 2 keys. I have 3. I don't know which one doesn't work. And I just don't have, I don't care to figure it out. So. But yeah, got back from the calf. It is freezing outside. Like cold as hell. But I might keep this top and put on my outfit under it. Because I feel like that would be cute. This girl just did something similar to what I'm about to wear today. And she did a hoodie. So I just want to do a hoodie. And she thinks like I'm copying her. About to respond to some emails. I need to make a media kit. So that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, that's about it. I know the lighting probably isn't the best, but you can kind of see my screen. I'm just gonna go on Canva. If you want to be into social media, you need Canva. You don't necessarily need Pro, but Pro does help. But I don't have Pro right now. Okay, I finished my media kit. Didn't take me too long. Maybe like an hour or so. It looks really good. And I feel like it looks really much. It looks like a lot like me, so I'm really happy with it. I'm about to respond to some emails now. And then, yeah, get ready for the day, for real. And the day is, I had already gotten ready for the day, basically. But nothing is more satisfying than being able to cross things off your to-do list. Okay, y'all, I just started my live. I'm about to get ready for class. It's my last first day. Y'all, it's my last first day of spring of my undergrad career. So, this is the makeup so far.
You're more than an opera. Like, yes, you're an alumni, but like, you're bigger than that. Like, you was a pirate. You was a marauder.
So, red top. This pink, this black, like, tulle skirt. Orange carbonate pants. I can't find the button thing for this. Okay, here's the accessories. I also accessorize the shoes, but I gotta go. Hold on. Just bring my tote bag and of course my headphones. Okay, bye. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even make it to class. I got some food from the WOW. I forgot to show y'all, but I got some food from the WOW and came back because y'all, it's so damn cold outside. Like, I'm talking freezing. Like, it was bitter. I'm trying to walk. That snow was blowing in my face. I kept slipping on ice. I barely made it to the calf. The only reason I made it was because I was hungry. So, yeah, I just couldn't make it today. But I'm gonna go tomorrow. Oh, I'm about to lay down for a little bit, not gonna lie. I used to hate that not yet gonna lie, but it's kind of eating. It's kind of taking it. But yeah, whew. My outfit was cute. I feel like people are staring at me, but it's easy to fit in. It's hard to stand out. So you got to wear what's in your heart and do what makes you happy. So yeah. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to lay down. Just for a little, not too long. I feel like I should fully wrap my hair just to be safe. Okay, y'all, time to unpack. I finally got the motivation to get out of my bed. And yeah, we're about to just start unpacking this. So when Jornaling comes down and move stuff, it's just moving stuff and me fixing other stuff. So yeah. Oh. Okay, time to take pictures. I put away, or I've hung up most of my clothes, but I'm getting pretty sleepy, not gonna lie. Okay, best say hey.
Hey, y'all.
Well, he didn't say hey yesterday, but we're about to take some pictures. Hopefully nobody be coming. I don't like when people watch me take pictures. Is this lighting good? It's so many layers though. Can I see? Oh wait, this is cute. That's not true. You take my pictures a lot and I come those.
You take my pictures a lot and I have to shift them. So, baby.
Shift or not post? Which one?
Shift.
But which one's worse?
It's the same.
No. Because you still
I
post
shouldn't have
them.
to shift it.
I should be able to post mine.
You can. You just choose not to.
No. Why is it so warm? Is your camera just warm?
Or you more.
Like I feel like it looks.
Like, well, some of them is in portrait.
Right.
Well, I just want you to see different angles, okay?
I don't like pork.
Okay, I know that.
But you stuck to it.
I did.
Y'all hear what I hear?
Yeah. I said it.
He'd be like, I know you don't like it, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And I'd be like, and then he'd be like, why don't you like none of the pictures? Because he didn't listen to what I said. Okay, I fully unpacked everything, but my room is like so cluttered. So it's like, so I'm gonna try and like declutter it a bit tomorrow when me and Dre move all this stuff around. But yeah, I'm about to chill for a little bit, then get ready for bed because I'm tired. Morning pretties. Okay, my camera would never be dead right now, but I'm about to show y'all today's outfit. It's really hard. Wow. So I have my trench coat, you know, Jacquard Renee. This is actually my work shirt, and I'm wearing it backwards because I really want like a colorful outfit. These same white pants. I really need more pants, and then I just put 2 little bows at the end, and then blue fur coats. My camera is dead, so I'm gonna see y'all later. I like the coat. I don't really.
You should all have access to Excel,
Had to use it.
Microsoft, right? Your Microsoft account. We all have Microsoft account.
Yeah.
So think about Excel. If you never use Excel, Excel is a fairly.
Okay, y'all. So Dre let me use his car, and I'm about to go grocery shopping because I ain't had groceries in a damn minute. Well, it's been a couple days, but I ain't had no groceries. So, also, if I'm looking here, y'all know I'm looking at myself. I apologize, but I'm about to head to the store. My phone, my camera is dead, so I'm gonna try and get as many clips as I can and charge my camera on my phone. So my camera on my laptop, but we'll see. I made it to the first store, which is Kroger. Okay, so we're at Walmart. I didn't vlog when I was in Kroger because I know what I was getting, but now I'm gonna roll, so we're in Walmart. We're not here to get much, just little stuff I need: floss, Q-tips. I got a new toothbrush. I don't need deodorant. Don't need lotion. Y'all. Say hey, Yana.
Huh?
Say hey.
Hey, y'all.
We're going to the movies. But continue, what were you saying?
I kind of want to invite my friend because she's been very sad.
Okay, y'all, so headed to the movies with Yana and her friend Raven. I'm wearing like the cutest outfit ever.
I want the Krabby Patty formula.
The what?
The Krabby Patty formula.
Oh, girl. I made it to the movie theater. We are late. But that's to be expected with 3 black people. So it's part of the our lore.
Oh, I will change.
Yeah.
IYONNA.
Okay, y'all, we just finished the movie. The movie was good as hell.
Very much funny.
I honestly, that's a good 9 out of 10.
That shit great, bitch. What? This shit feel good.
Yeah, because I was hot.
I was hot. I was drinking a little sweat.
hot. In the theater.
Yeah.
You guys do? How
Y'all,
much is the copay?
we took some pictures. Oh, we may be a little lit.
A little.
Just a little lit. Just a tad.
Can I give it to you over the phone?
Like, yes, lighting.
That's very pretty. I don't know.
This way.
Sorry. Oh. Yeah, we shouldn't drink, y'all.
Is that I got a new phone.
Yeah.
Sucking balls up, baby, about to take it off. We don't date it all. Push that pussy open, hit it raw. Nasty scuba, fuck a bad bitch.
Okay, y'all, we ain't good well. Y'all, did y'all watch Taxi? Bro, I watched this religiously growing up. They got so many movies. I love people that want to go thrifting. This movie was good. I love a good romance movie. No bad. I felt so pretty today. I need some more lip gloss, I'm not gonna lie though. Okay, y'all. I'm wet. I can't lie. I'm lit. I walked into the wrong dorm and shit. Embarrassing as fuck. I can't lie. But I don't know if I gave y'all an OOTD, but pearl pants from Fashion Nova. I just put on my 50s again. I had decorated them with pearls, but I took them off because they were messing up my tongue. This is a Boohoo Man. It's my ex's, not gonna lie. Then I had this pearl necklace on. Just this white Invicta watch I got when I was in New York. These are my prescription glasses. And then I have my hair. It's messy now, but it was like a little claw clip. We went and watched the one with Keke Palmer. It's a really good movie, produced by Issa Rae. Really good. Yeah, I have a lot of fun today. I didn't get that many clips because, y'all, I was lit, enjoying the moment. So, yeah. I will give y'all a debrief when I am a little. Good night. Okay, y'all. So it's the next day. It's literally 6:30, but one of my 2025 goals is to do more hobbies. So journaling a little bit. I don't know, y'all. I was recovering from a nasty hangover and I'm on my period. So I've just been in bed all of today. Just ate, I'll put a picture of what I ate. I just made a turkey burger, a salad, and some sweet potato fries. I didn't show y'all, but I got a new water bottle. Yesterday we went to the dollar store. It's smaller, which, okay, carrying that drug around was impossible. So this will be easier to carry around, to fill and everything. So, and I feel like this is enough water to stay hydrated and not the amount that's gonna make me pee all day. So, and it was only $1. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Has the times and all that. But anyway, I'm watching Grace and Frankie junk journaling and just chilling overall. Today's been chill. I need to look at my homework because I've not looked at it this week. Other than that, I'm about to just chill for the night.
Ghost or apparition, spirits.
I was really hoping to talk about the Chargers, but
Days and days and days.
so why are you telling me?
Because you'll probably be leaving here in an hour.
But why are you really telling me?
Listen, nothing like this has ever happened to me before. You were a priest. I don't know whether I need absolution or if I should check myself.